So welcome back to my video, guys. We're at Subway. Yeah, we're at Subway. Anyways, we're at Walmart Subway inside Walmart. But yeah, so yeah, we're at Walmart Subway.
You guys want to make some shoes?
Alright, guys, I got this 6-inch sub that I know it looks like a 4-inch. It's a 6-inch. And I'm about to try it. Wow. That's way better. That's way better than Firehouse, like, yeah, dude. But yeah, that's delicious. I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's actually very good. It's one of the best subs I ever had.
What are your favorite parts of it?
Mustard and the pickles and the turkey.
What's the least favorite part of that?
Lettuce.
There's a happy lad right there, Solomon. What are you rating the sub today for Subway?
This Subway.
Subway, I put Subway, 7.5 out of 10.
The amazing Jania, you're having tuna today from Subway. How would you rate the Subway tuna?
I want to say about a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
All right, Daddy. What would you rate Subway sub?
So Subway Club is usually what I give. I give it like a 7. I do love the bread though, the Italian herbs and cheese.
Guys, I'm actually gonna rate it 9 out of 10 because they didn't cut the sub, and that's all. Just 9 out of 10.